So this video is for the curious people that run into the Windows Defender security scam. And let's begin. Alright, so we see this ad here, and like I said, curious people, we click here, and now we got this. There's quite a bit of people out there that they'd find this scary. Alright. So for the sake of the video, I am going to click allow. This is going to be loud, so just bear with me and follow what I show you on the screen. Alright, so I'm going to click
Important
allow.
security message. Your computer has been locked up. Your IP address was used without your knowledge or consent to visit websites that contains identity theft virus. To unlock the computer, please call support immediately. Please do not attempt to shut down or restart your computer.
And it's done. So what I did there is, okay, so what I did there was I pressed CTRL ALT and Delete at the same time, and it brought up a screen. It was completely black, and there's 5 options. When you see this screen and the 5 options, you want to press click Task Manager, and then you want to find, in this case it was Google Chrome, so you want to right click on Google Chrome. You should see it right underneath Apps, and then right click in Task. And once you've done that, you're good to go. That's it. When you see anything with the 1-800 number and to call this or call that, 9 times out of 10 it's a scam. So if you don't want to lose money, I recommend not listening or calling these scams or the phone numbers that these scams tell you to call. Well, alright, that's it for today, and until next time, please like and subscribe, leave a comment if you wish.